बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 11th ऑफलाइन क्लास फिजिकल एजुकेशन का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो कॉमन सपोर्ट्स इंजरी, द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इंजरी दैट आर रिलेटेड टू gammas and supports or during the type of any activity, during the type of any gammas and supports activity, the different kind of injury that can happen, the different kind of injury, the different kind of injuries and different kind of disorders, different kind of stress, different kind of health related disorders which can cause diseases and defects in our body. The different kind of injuries, कल हमने पढ़ा था द सॉफ्ट टिश्यू इंजरीज, जिसमें माइनर इंजरीज या सीरियस इंजरीज होती है. द माइनर इंजरीज और ये होता है माइनर इंजरीज और सीरियस इंजरीज वही होती है कि इन विच देयर इज इट्स अप टू द इंजरीज, it's due to the it's up to the destruction. If the nature of the injury is minor, then it will be called the minor injury. If there is much more destruction, then that will be called the serious injuries. और भी supports injuries है जैसे कि contusion, abrasion, laceration या sprain, strain, dislocation. There are different kinds. आज हम बात करेंगे the first one type of injury, that's contusion. Contusion means it's an injury caused by any blow or by any push or by any fall. It may it may cause an injury, but without causing, without impacting, without breaking down, without rupturing the skin. There may be an injury, but there will be no scratch, there will be no rupture, there will be no breaking of the skin. So contusion is an injury in which there is no breaking of, there is no rupturing of skin. In other words, हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि it's the crushing of soft tissue by a violent external force or by any breaking or by any fall, by any किसी भी force से. If there is a breakdown of tissues, it may be several, it may be a violent external force or without breaking the continuity injured part. Sometimes it may be, there may be a pain, there may be swellings on the affected part. Contusion means an injury in which there is no rupturing of the skin, there is no breakage of skin, but there may be the impact on the tissues. It may be by the violent external force or something else, so that it's an injury. It's an injury which is caused. It's an injury which is caused by any external force or any fall or any force or any supports equipment or any supports goods. It may be struck at the structure of the football, the structure of the cricket ball. Yeah, it may be destruction of the. It may be a blow. It may be a slight push. Yeah, it may be by a push, it may be by a jump, it may be by a kick, something like that. It may be happen, but contusion is an injury in which there is no rupturing of the skin, but the breaking down of the tissues. टिश्यूज में क्या, इट में भी कॉज स्वेलिंग हो जाएगी, जिसको वो ये बोलते हैं स्वेलिंग, वर्मा लग जाना, स्वेलिंग हो जाएगी. इट में भी कॉज एन एक्यूट पेन का, एक्यूट पेन हो सकता है. कंट्यूजन इज वेरी कॉमन among much more athletes like boxers, wrestlers या कबड्डी में, जिस क्योंकि there are the much more chance of pushing, pulling या धक्का देना, खींच लेना. It may be a dislocation या धक्का देना या push करना. That needs the much more stronger. That needs much more. इसमें blow भी लग सकता है, धक्का भी लग सकता है, blow भी लगता है, force भी लग सकता है push में. Something like that happens. That may cause the injury. That's contusion. Contusion means without breaking the skin. It may be breakdown or rupturing of the tissues. Sometimes in contusion, blood vessels may be also ruptured. Sometimes muscle is broken and sometimes it may be bleeding. Sometimes it may be only the rupturing of the muscle. Sometimes it may be the rupturing of the blood vessels. Initially, if the muscle in these muscles which may cause stiffness, swelling on the affected part of the area. Simply, contusion is an injury in which the skin is not properly ruptured, or skin is not bleeded, or skin is not breaking down, but it may be the breakdown of the softer tissues. It may cause pain, it may cause swelling, but sometimes it may cause stiffness or swelling. Sometimes there may be bleeding, sometimes there may be not bleeding. Treatment इसका क्या होता है? We should immediately use the first ice. We should use it ice जिसको कायरोथेरेपी भी कहते हैं. कोल्ड कंप्रेशन होना चाहिए, मतलब कोल्ड जैसे कि वो आइस लगाते हैं आइस, मतलब उसके बाद कुछ मसाज भी कर सकते हैं टू रिड्यूस द स्वेलिंग जो होते हैं फिर. Number 2, that's abrasion. Abrasion means an injury in which there is a rupture of the skin. Yes, it may be like a scrap. It may be like a scrap, जैसे कि it may be like a scrap. It may be like by friction, जैसे कि कुछ खरोच सी लगती है. That will be called the abrasion. Abrasion. That will be called the abrasion. Abrasion is a supports injury that may cause to our skin. It may be caused to our it means an injury to our the first layer, that's the skin. It may be injury of the skin. It may be injury by any scraped, by any rubber, by any friction during any play, during any activity. इसमें क्या करना चाहिए? इसका ट्रीटमेंट ये होता है कि वी शुड अवॉइड फर्दर फ्रिक्शन. फिर से फ्रिक्शन नहीं लगना चाहिए इस जगह पे, या एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम लगानी चाहिए, या वी शुड यूज मेडिकल कॉटन इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए इंजरी पार्ट, या उसको साफ करना चाहिए. देयर मे बी सीवियर पेन, वी शुड टेक द सीवियर पेन किलर्स or something like that. That will be the